Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Gas prices are going up tomorrow. 87 and 90 gasoline will each climb by $3.06. It will cost $3.03 more for automotive diesel and ultra-low sulfur diesel. Kerosene will sell for $3.06 more. 98 cents will be added to the cost of propane, while butane will cost 25 cents more. Now, Petrojam says the key contributor to the rise in fuel prices this week is waning fears of a global slowdown in the COVID-19 Omicron variant. This has helped to restore market confidence and push prices upwards. Brace for higher electricity bills, the warning from the Jamaica Public Service Company, JPS. In a post on its website today, the Light and Power Company says it has been experiencing increased fuel costs in the past few months as a result of the international surge in prices. Now, JPS notes that global uncertainties have led to increases in the price of oil and natural gas. The utility company says the rise in fuel costs has been compounded by the depreciation of the Jamaican dollar. Now, the JPS is encouraging consumers to practice energy management. And total spending on imports and earnings from exports increased for January to August this year compared to the same period in 2020. The Statistical Institute of Jamaica Statin says imports for the period amounted to $3.7 billion, a 19% increase versus $3.1 billion. This upward movement was mainly due to higher imports of raw materials, intermediate goods, and fuel. Now, total exports were valued at $1.1 billion, 28% above the $824 million earned for the same period in 2020. This was largely due to a 95% increase in the value of exports of mineral fuels. Now let's head to the currency market. Authorized dealers are selling the US dollar for an average $154.80. $121.40 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar. $207.63 is the going rate for the euro, while that should be the going rate for the pound, while $177.21 for the euro. The JSE Index lost 2,990 points, while the Junior Market Index gained 2 points. Among today's winners were 138 Student Living Jamaica, Lasco Distributors, Everything Fresh, Berger Paints, and Community and Workers of Jamaica deferred shares, while on the losing side were SSL Venture Capital Jamaica, Lumber Depot, Mayberry Investments, JMMB Group's 7.5% shares, and Epley Caribbean Property Fund. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.